this is Nicole with Boost Kids, and this is your brown bag STEAM challenge for the month of March. And we will be making bee buzzers. Okay, so you're going to start off with your 3x5 index card here, and you are going to fold it in half. And you are going to want to decorate your bee. So I actually already made one. And you're going to use markers or crayons or pens, whatever you have at home to decorate your bee. So here is my bee that I decorated already. And once you've decorated your bee, you can do one side or both sides, whatever you choose. You are going to take that bee, remember it's folded in half, and you are going to take your craft stick and you are going to ask an adult for a stapler and get help using the stapler if you've never used a stapler before. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to take my stapler, and I'm going to give it a couple of staples so I can make sure my craft stick is on here nice and snug. So one, watch your fingers, and I think I'm just going to give it 3 staples. Okay, that's part 1. Okay, so now that we have our craft stick stapled to our index card, we are going to do a little trim because I want to leave a little room for my ends, and I want to have a little room so I can actually put some weight on the end of our bee buzzer. So the bee buzzer needs a little weight, and that's what we're going to use the erasers for. And you can just rip it off. If you want to pre-cut this before you actually put on your craft stick, that's fine too. So we are going to take our string next here, and we're going to tie our string. You can just make a double knot or a triple knot, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to tie it as close as I can here. Not bad. And then I might do a little second knot here. And then we're going to hold our string in place with our erasers. So here's one. And the eraser is really good too because it gives the bee buzzer a little weight. So we're going to balance that out really nicely. So here's our eraser. We do 1. That fits pretty good. And then we're going to do our second eraser here. 2. And if you need to cut out a little bit more off of your paper, that's fine. I think I do. So I'm just going to give it a little haircut. And again, you can cut the paper before you staple it if you want to, or you can cut it after. It doesn't matter. I'm cutting mine after. Like that. Use my eraser head. Now I have my bee buzzer, but I'm not quite done yet, so I need to do one more part. Okay, so we had our craft stick and we made our bee. We had an adult help us to staple our bee to our craft stick. We tied a knot with the string. We added our eraser heads for some weight and stability, so that looks good. And now we're going to use our rubber band. So our rubber band actually is kind of like a wing of the bee. So the rubber band and the index card are going to allow air to vibrate between the rubber band and the index card, and that's how you're going to get the buzzing sound. So I'm going to put my finger here and do that. Okay, so it goes over the eraser head and the craft stick. Looks like that. And then I got to make sure that I can access my string. And now we're ready to fly our bee. Let's try to fly our bee buzzer. So here is our bee buzzer. Make sure you have a clear flight zone because you don't want to hit anyone. And you're going to start. It just sounds just like a swarm of bees. So remember, the index card and the rubber band are vibrating. Air is vibrating between it, and that's how you're getting your bee sound. And that's it. And that is how you make your BeeBuzzer. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you for participating with Boost Kids, and we can't wait to do another project with you. Bye-bye.